Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create a beautiful mandala in the app IBIS Paint X. So I am opening a 1:1 ratio canvas because that is the best canvas size for mandala drawing. And here you can see I am using felt tip and hard brush, and if you find the size is small for your canvas, increase by go for that setting and increase the maximum size. Now I'm using the kaleidoscope ruler to create this mandala, and I'm using 36 division. And if you want more division, more detail, minute details, then you can go for higher division values. But here I'm using 36 divisions, and you can see this brush looks very good for this mandala. And if anyone asks me suggestion for the best brush for this kind of mandala, I can tell felt tip pen hard brush or dip pen hard brush that works well for such mandalas. And so the process for the basic mandala is simple. In the first layer I am going to draw all the mandala details like this, and then I will add two more layers, and in that layers, in a separate layer I will add the background white color, and in another layer I will add a circle at the center, white color circle, and then I will be adding some details there. Now you can see, using the bucket tool I am filling the details. You can either fill using the bucket tool or you can just fill using the brush, and you can see if there is any empty space left, you have to fill by hand. Now I'm going to finish this mandala with some lotus design like this, and adding such details at the end of the mandala or at the corner can give a beautiful new look for your mandala. For example, if you are ending this mandala with a simple circle line, it will not look that good, but when you end up with some kind of flower or any details which have some unique shape instead of a blunt circle, it works well. You can see how it looks different. So by using the bucket tool, it didn't fill the entire shape all over, so I'm using the fill brush to fill those area, and it will repeat by the divisions, and we got this mandala. As I told, if you have some details at the corner, it looks really different. Now at the center I am going to fill with white color. So for that I am going to create a new layer, and using the bucket tool, make sure you switch the canvas option in the reference layer, and this is how you will get when you switch on the canvas option. And in another layer again I'm going to fill with white color, but for the entire mandala. To do that, I just created the layer at the bottom, and the circle white color layer is at the top, and this one is at the bottom. Just make the border like this at the corner and fill with white color like this. Make sure you switch on current layer while filling the using bucket tool. And now in the new layer I am going to add some gradient using the airbrush, and I just made this layer as a clipping layer for the circle that we have created using the white color at the center. Now you can see using the airbrush normal, I'm just making the gradient with the kaleidoscope ruler on. So in this way you will not have any randomness in the shade, because as this will repeat all the side equally, it gives really good radiant gradient. So now I just switch off the the kaleidoscope ruler, and I'm going to add some details here. Go to materials, and here you can see tracing sketches. Go to that and you can find some human shapes here. I'm going for some couples shape, so I feel like this is good. Just click on this and it will be imported to the layer and place exactly at the center. Now I want this to be in a black color, so I made it this as black color. And when make sure you make this layer as a clipping layer for the circle. Now you can see there are some space left, so I'm just filling those with after switching off the alpha lock. Now I'm going to make this shape realistic because the tracing sketch that they have given is like a new shapes, and there is no face, there is no proper face details. You can see it is like anemic and there is no hair. So I'm going to add some clothes and hair details, also change the shape of the face so that we can get a realistic silhouette couple face or the details. So I'm going very randomly, not, I don't have any exact um, you know measurement or something like that for the shapes of the human. So just with the basic idea that I have, I'm just changing the shape of the nose, lips, also the neck, chin, and yeah, I think adding details or the dress details was very easy compared to adding the face details. You can still see the girl face looks messy. I have to fix that, and also the hair didn't suit well. Now I'm coming for the boy hair. Okay, the male part ended really well, and I still have to fix the female details here. Now I'm going to use the hairbrush for this. Make sure you switch on the force fade and feel like this. If you find this video really fast, then you can go to the video settings in your YouTube, which is available above the video, and change the speed to 0.5 or something like that to get the reduced speed. I try a lot to record slow speed video, but still it didn't come out good. And here you can see save this as transparent png. Once you saved, here this is how it looks. Yeah, it came out really well. I think hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. If you like this, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.